ahead and add the logo to our Citrus Lane postcard at the lower left corner. And we're going to do it with a shape. So I'm going to go to Window, Shapes, and here are our 4 options. We're going to do flowers, and they want us to choose the one on the lower right corner. I'm going to click and drag, and you can see the bounding box, and I'm going to make it about 1.5 inches. Doesn't have to be exact, it's okay. And if I like it, I double click it. But the problem is that the shape, I wanted to have it yellow. So in order to do that, I'm going to select shape 421, and you can rename this one flower. And then I'm going to go to the shape option, rectangle tool, and you see now our flower is selected, and I want a fill of yellow, and I want to use RGB yellow, and then I want a stroke of none, and then after I've selected that, I also have this rectangle create tool come up. I don't need that. And then I'm just going to click off, but get rid of that. And then there we are, our Citrus Lane with a yellow flower.